We need to desolder these not working LEDs. In the last video I found out that they are not working for some reason. So we have to replace them with brand new ones. And they should work now, let's see. Turning on a row V, and yeah, they are on. So, mission accomplished. I'm still wondering why didn't the previous lights work? We can again test them with the multimeter, and surprisingly they are both working now. And I think I already know why. When I tested it, I accidentally switched the positive and negative sides. So that's why it wasn't lighting up. But it still didn't work here, so I guess that as I removed them, I damaged the wire connection. Anyway, let's continue by doing a thermal test. Let's set the timer for 1 minute and see how hot it is. I have a problem where these LEDs melt plastic holders which hold them in place. The thermometer shows a maximum temperature of around 85 degrees Celsius and then just shows this H or hot symbol. Maybe this other one will work better, it's used for cooking, so it should go to about 300 degrees Celsius. The temperature is constantly rising up to 102 degrees Celsius. And my ABS filament isn't very happy with these high temperatures. Well, I would need to find some thermoplastic material that is comfortable with high temperatures, something like a polycarbonate or nylon, for example. But I wanted some quick fix, so I just designed this new LED holder. It's a bit thicker and also I added some holes, which might cool it down a bit, but I don't know. It's still made from ABS, so it will have some problems with those high temperatures of 102 degrees Celsius, so we will have to limit it to only about 30 seconds of maximum use, or don't use the maximum brightness at all. And just a quick test if it's working, and yep, it's working. So we have successfully repaired it.